Hey everybody, my name is Sean Seymour and I do videos about photography and about technology, and in this video I am going to cover the very brief yet somewhat hidden button for sending somebody a link as an affiliate. This all started because I was sitting in a meeting with somebody who wanted to learn more about how to do a YouTube channel, and we got to talking about the gear. And I wanted to send them a link for the DJI mic, which is a great mic. If you haven't tried it out, you should check it out. I couldn't figure it out. There I am sitting there, and I thought, gosh, I would love to get credit for this because there I am explaining all of the features and benefits of the DJI mic, and as all of you know, this is at no charge to the person buying it. This is a marketing expense that Amazon chalks up to marketing. Everyone wins. So let's hop on the phone. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So you want to make an Amazon affiliate link using your phone. Go to your Amazon app, then find the product that you want to get the link for. Once you find the product that you want, go ahead and click on the product. And then there's going to be a little share button on the right-hand side in the middle of the screen. Go ahead and click on the share button, and you'll see that an associate link comes up. If you want to share it as a non-associate, go ahead and click on the non-associate. Once you click on that link, it will go ahead and copy to your clipboard, and you can text, email, or send it to anybody you like. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. I wish I could make it longer, but literally it's that simple to create an Amazon link. Just find the product, create the link by hitting the share button, and then send it to the person that you want to send it to. Until I see you on the next video, my friend, please send lots of Amazon links, become billionaires, and keep it simple.